Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get this special emote in Stumble guys. So at first, just download the game Stumble guys, and after downloading the game, just enter the game. Just hold on guys. Now here you can see in the bottom left Stumble pass here. Just click on it. After clicking it, here you can see there are two type of passes here. There is a premium pass and there is a free pass. If you want to active the premium pass, you need 1200 diamonds to purchase it. If you active the premium pass, just swipe it like me, and here you can see in the 30 stage there is a special emote, and you can get it only you purchase the premium pass. There is a special emote in the 30 stage every season. If you buy the premium pass, you can get it every season. There is also another emotes here in the 2080 stage. You can get it free if you get it to 2080 stage. There is also another emote in 23 stage. You can get this if you complete to 23 stage. So guys, this is how you can get a special emote in Stumble guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.